The minister in charge of tourism, Paul Lyngdoh, during the off-road vehicle racing event known as the Adventures Hinotrep Off-Roaders, Ahor, stated that the state government will provide full financial support to the group organizing the event. He also mentioned that this competition will be included in the tourism department's calendar. This is the 6th event organized this year at Kharsati Nature Park. Umtham started from 10th of October and will conclude on the 12th of October. It has garnered significant public interest and attracted participants from across the region and beyond.
Kalau menyusul Nabi kini golong nudring nudrash bidang berkain bidang berjawab berkerja yang sodong kini ini responsible tourism. Lalu kini setiap inai yang financial support. Bagi kita amount dan sebagainya bagi transaction dalam dapat berkunjung ke Jawa Barat.